Our telephone number. Let's say hello here to, Jaden in Oakland on the Tom Leykis show. Hello.
Yeah, Tom Leykis is good as at math as Whitney Houston is as calling the Grim Reaper in the bath. Hey, man, Jaden, a.k.a. Uncle Gas Can Lip, man. What it do? Represent Oakland where the hoes be... Shut the fuck up on the ring. Represent Oakland where the hose are so cheap they cut and recycle the bloody strings off the used tampons to reuse that shit as a makeshift dental floss. Man, hey, bookmarks too. Catapult that Kung Pao chicken out of the big mouth, man. The teeth, the cavities be color of a bottle of Windex, but the food particles be caked up on that ceiling mirror above the bed. Motherfucking bitches. Hey. Want to talk about the status quo, man, on Facebook, man. Fuck updating a Facebook status quo manifesto, motherfucker. No one gives a fuck about your workout regimen, Jesus scripture, Bible horse shit, your happy hour itinerary, how stressed you are about your culinary class finals at the JC, and how depressed you are. Let me tell you something, Dad. Man, my homeboys and I will never update our status whereabouts. You know why, motherfuckers?
Why?
You think we wanna advertise where we have rented a dozen 26-foot box trucks? Nah, motherfucker, we're not gonna divulge where we are mobbing down a Bay Area freeway motorcade style at 2:43 a.m. on a mission to accumulate some motherfucking copper wire, motherfuckers. Hey, man, we take a copper piping too, man, but yeah, man, don't fucking give away your whereabouts, motherfuckers, stupid motherfuckers. And, Dad, just wanna, what was this? Oh, on the Joe Rogan show, Chael Sonnen mentioned you, motherfucker.
Really?
At the big time. Yeah, really. And, at the end of the episode, check it out, man. But I want you to take me out of Donna Summer style.
Donna Summer style. What would that be?
All I know is that bitch looked like a mummified Rhodesia Ridgeback with hip dysplasia. So just take, I don't know, man. Our web is dope, man. All these other radio motherfuckers act like they got dope producers. None of them could fucking topple Art Web. That motherfucker will run crop circles around these fucking producers. And most of them bitches have crop circle shaped designs in their pussy hairs. Shave it all off, dumb bitches. Dino and Gary, anybody want to fuck with them, I'll throw a liver shot at the motherfuckers and cripple their livers. Because I got their backs, I got your backs, and these motherfuckers that had kids, they ain't your true sons calling you, oh, Dad, I made a mistake. Man, motherfucker, you ain't his son. You just some bitch. You might as well call her JV with the lightning bolt tattoo on his head, because you ain't Tom's son.
Yeah. Thank you, Jaden. Yes. Best caller we have. Yeah, if you're going to be funny on this show, you're going to have to try to top Jaden, because he's definitely the best. The only one we give an exception to. We let him on more often because he's good every single time. Every time. 901-3000 Tom is our telephone number. Dan in Ocean